Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to sync data between boards in Monday.com so updates automatically reflect across projects, this guide will show you how to do it the right way. Step 1. Choose the source board. Decide which board holds the original data. This will be the board that other boards pull information from. Step 2. Add a Connect Boards column. On the second board, click plus Add Column, then select Connect Boards. Choose the source board you want to sync with. Step 3. Link related items. In the Connect Boards column, click a cell and select the matching item from the source board. This creates the connection. Step 4. Add mirror columns. Click plus Add Column, then choose Mirror. Select the connected board and the exact column you want to display, such as status, date, owner, or numbers. Step 5. Enable two-way sync if needed. For deeper syncing, use automations like when status changes on board A to change status on board B. This keeps both boards updated. Step 6. Use cross-board automations. Create rules such as when item is created, then create item in another board. This automatically duplicates or syncs new data. Step 7. Check permissions. Users must have access to both boards, otherwise mirrored data won't display correctly. Step 8. Monitor changes. Test by updating a value in the source board and confirm it updates in the connected board. Syncing boards works best using Connect Boards columns, mirror columns, and cross-board automations to keep everything aligned in real time. Follow these steps and your Monday.com boards will stay perfectly synced. See you in the next guide.